Spend forever in a long line, be late to work, and spend $10 on a loaded tea.
Came across this TikTok Shop affiliate case study.
Make them from home, show up at the office, and everyone's gonna be like, where'd you get that yummy looking drink?
This video generated $19,000 in under 30 days.
I make it at home, girl. I can't decide what loaded tea that I want to make today. I'm gonna make one for Chris and myself.
So we can unpack it, see what's worked, contribute to its success.
We're going to pick randomly. Tiki Torch. This is blackberry, raspberry, peach.
And most importantly, what we can take away. My name is Victor. I use my experience as a marketing project manager to share what's working in e-commerce, AI, and affiliate marketing right now. So I've come across the video and ad section sitting comfortably within this top 10 section of videos that are doing really well over the last 30 days. The focus is, and what I wanted to mainly look at is what videos can I find that have not had a huge amount of money spent on ads, if any money at all. This video is set at number 2 there. And the reason why I do this, as I like to mention in these videos, is so I can see what's growing organically, pushed by customer demand without money spent, to put it in front of TikTok Shop customers. Because to me, this indicates people are actively interacting with that content, showing interest, and spending money purchasing that product. So if we look at this next page, this is the video detail page. We've got a few more bits of information about the video itself here that I'm going to show you as well. We're going to look at how the demand is looking for this particular product just in general. We're going to look at the video breakdown itself in just a second, but starting with the actual video, November 3rd, 2025 is when the video was published. So it's not an old video. At the time of filming this video is on the 22nd of November, so less than a month. There's no advertising placement found, no ad spend, pushed organically by the TikTok algorithm, which indicates that organic demand and that organic interaction from customers looking for that product, which is always positive. We can also see some core metrics here. They had 10.9 million views, not too bad for an organic video. They sold 92,008 units of this loaded tea. Revenue was $162,000. How much is the commission they're getting from this product, and how do we get to the 19,000 that I mentioned early in this video? We're going to circle back to that in just a second. Also worth noting, 27,000 followers also received from this video. Not too bad. And considering that you've got 27,000 followers, which are essentially ready to buy followers, because these people followed you because of a video where you're talking about a product. So the value of having people following you, even though you're potentially going to sell something to them, absolutely crazy from a money making perspective as a TikTok Shop affiliate. Note the craziness of that. Compared to 10 million, it's not that crazy, but still 27,000 people that are potentially interested in the next product that you're going to review. Absolutely nuts. Let's look at the loaded tea product page. The retail price is $3 US. The commission rate is 13%. That's how we came up with that $19,000 that they made as take home commission from that simple video that they created talking about a product that they obviously use and love. We have got the amount of reviews that they have, so proof that the product is solid and people are interested. What I'd like to look at is the actual average reviews that they are getting. How many reviews in total and the average score. We can see at the top here 4.9 stars out of 5 stars on average, and they've had 18,400 people. That is, there was any doubt in terms of how people are finding this product after purchasing it, there shouldn't be. You can clearly people are very happy with it. The downside for me that I will be honest and mention is obviously the retail price of the product, $3. You've got 13% commission. You're not going to make a lot of money as a seller. You need a high number of units to be sold. At $3, it is a pretty decent impulse buy. No one is going to regret having spent $3, even if they end up not liking it, which leads to high volume of sales. Items sold in the last 90 days, 349,000. In the last 30 days, they sold 226, which is fairly decent for a low margin product because you're not going to make a lot of money there. So what we can also see here now, if you're coming from a product research perspective, you're a seller or you're a TikTok Shop affiliate and you're like, what can I sell? What can I start promoting on TikTok Shop, Shopify, Amazon, wherever? Majority of this revenue, which is 408,000 from different sales channels, the main sales channel that they're using is videos because that's generated the majority of what they've made. In the last 30 days, we've got the product card, not a lot there. Live videos, not a huge amount. Majority is the green bar, which is the on-demand videos, much like this video that we can see here. So pretty decent product that's worth thinking about if you are wanting to get your foot in the door and start with a simple product as well. But the question you might be asking, Victor, is outside TikTok Shop, how is the demand for this product? Are people interested in it? Are they searching for it? I don't want to just be on TikTok Shop. I want to be on Shopify. I want to be on Amazon or all these other platforms. So what I've done is have a look at the search volume of this product using Google Trend here. I've looked at the last 5 years. Is it a consistent product? Is it an evergreen product? Or is it a product that just peaks during particular seasons and then completely dies down out of those seasons? Well, the answer is right. We are looking currently at how this product's been trending over the last 5 years in the United States. We can see the search volume is pretty consistent. It's not crazily high, but it's always there. To continue with the rest of the video, click here. You can find a link to the full tutorial by heading to the description below. You'll also find links to my favorite AI tools. Head over to my website, vlcmediabiz.com, where you'll find a bunch of free AI courses for serious business inquiries. You can drop me an email. Also, drop a comment if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.